Hey everyone, welcome back. Lately, I've been seeing this method all over the place. People are saying you can get unlimited dice rolls in Monopoly Go straight from your phone. No computer, no extra software, nothing complicated at all. At first, I won't lie, it sounded a little sketchy. But with that many players talking about it, I decided to roll the dice and test it myself. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly what I did, step by step, and show you the final results, so you can see if this method really helps you keep rolling, stacking properties, and dominating the board. The first thing you need is your player ID. You can usually find it in your profile or somewhere in the settings. I found mine pretty quickly and copied it so I could use it in the next step. It's super straightforward, nothing tricky here. After that, I grabbed my phone and opened up my browser. I'm using Chrome, but honestly, any mobile browser should work. Then I searched for the website everyone's been talking about, the one connected to Monopoly Go and unlimited dice rolls. The page loaded up right away with no weird pop-ups or random redirects, which honestly surprised me. Everything looked clean, simple, and legit, not what you'd expect from something that sounds this wild. Once on the site, I selected my platform. I'm on Android, but there was an iOS option too. Then I pasted in my player ID and double-checked everything before moving on. After tapping the button, the site showed a short loading process with animations. Nothing froze or crashed, it all ran smoothly. Next, it asked how many dice rolls I wanted to add. For this test, I went big and chose the highest amount. If this works, I wanted to see it at full power. After confirming, the page started running through a few progress bars, showing each step being completed one by one. Everything was clearly explained, cleanly laid out, and super easy to follow. Right before finishing, there was a quick verification step. The site explains it in a simple way with clear instructions, so there was nothing confusing about it. I already took care of that part earlier, so now, let's skip ahead and get straight to the results. To see if it actually worked, I opened Monopoly Go again and checked my dice rolls balance. And just like that, the extra rolls were already there. No restarting the game, no waiting around. It updated instantly, which honestly surprised me. At that point, it felt like hitting a perfect roll. More moves, more properties, and full control of the board. So based on my test, the method worked exactly as described. The steps were simple, everything was mobile friendly, and it was easy to follow as long as you pay attention. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest tests and reviews. And if you've tried this method yourself, drop a comment and let me know how it went. I read every one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.